Arnold.
Oh, Arnold. Okay. Arnold.
Yes. Hi, good afternoon. This is Imus now going to Saliel Village, Bukandala.
Now we're inside the subdivision of Sarial Village. So we'll do that. Because we're on Singapore Street, we turn left to Philippine Street. This is the one they said.
The white one?
White House. No, until there though.
Until there?
Yeah.
So where's the...
They say we will pass here all the White Houses. But it's until
Maybe
there.
sa atin, tingin ko yan yun.
Oh, that one?
Maybe this one.
Oh, this one. This one. This should be... yeah. This one. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Sarap tayo, sarap. Okay.
Ayun, Markson.
Markson.
Yeah, Markson. Markson?
Makison.
Makison.
Markson, my grandfather in Japan, I'm Japanese, and she asked me to see inside because she want to...
Just park there.
Okay.
Talk.
Okay.
Maganda po, G.
Kujiro.
Hamada.
Until where they can go? Maybe around the village only.
ひとたびそのビレッジを出るとこのようになります。これがビレッジの外です。